Hi everyone, welcome to Learning by Doing with Praveen Kandan. This is Praveen. In this Java object-oriented programming playlist, we'll learn OOPS concepts from the scratch. This is Java OOPS programming session number 65, complete execution flow of compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. In our previous sessions, we have clearly explained about what is by compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. Now we'll discuss in a detailed manner, step by step, how it is executing. If you are serious about learning, then like the video and subscribe the channel for more update. Please click the bell icon and select all notification option. Don't choose personalized option, you may miss some session updates. Let's get started. So now we'll discuss the complete flow of compile time runtime polymorphism from inheritance to upcasting, polymorphism, how we are runtime polymorphism we are achieving, then downcasting. All these things we'll discuss in detail manner. So for step one, prepare the parent class and child class. So you already know the basic inheritance concept. If you didn't watch the previous session, inheritance, polymorphism, kindly watch that session. Then see this session about 65. Then only you can able to understand. So first prepare the parent class. So what's the parent class or super class name? Animal. Method is sound. So to save the time, already having the code, I'll show it in the editor so that it's easy to understand. So what's the super class name? Animal. So go to the animal class. Yeah. So what is the method we having? What is the method we having? Sound. Base class or super class name is animal. The parent class name is animal. So in child class, I'm going to override this method sound. So use the annotation symbol class dog extends animal. This is the basic thing. So go to the see dog extends animal override annotation. I'm going to override the method which is already present in the base class or super class animal class sound. I'm going to override it here. Got it? So what's the message will print? Dog box. Next thing. One more method I'm just for a reference I'm giving void fetch. So it will give the message dog fetches the ball. So key understanding here is animal is a parent class or super class. Am I right? Animal is a parent class or super class. Dog is a child class or subclass. So it will check the relationship. Dog is a relationship. Yes, dog is a animal. With the help of inheritance concept, there are inherit the features of animal class also in dog class. Dog class will inherit the features of animal class also. So use the keyword extends. Now it is following the is a relationship concept. Inheritance is achievement. So this is the is relationship concept. It is the reason for upcasting works. Now we'll discuss it. How this is a relationship is helping to achieve the upcasting concept. So we already know what is an object, beginner level. So left side, this dog is a reference class type. Reference type is name is reference variable is D. This is a parent class reference type. Next, new dog of. So here only object is created. It will create a dog object. Reference type is dog. Object type is dog. So full access we are giving to dog and then animal methods. Am I right? So while creating the object for dog, it will also access the features of this animal also. So full access given to dog. So animal methods can be invoked here itself, dog class. So what is upcasting? The main concept is coming to the picture. Upcasting means using a single parent class reference, mark my word, using a single parent class reference to refer to a child class object. Okay, here both sides you are using the same parent class. This is not recommendable. Okay, beginner level it is okay, it will execute. Always the recommendable part is left side you have to give the parent class type, right side you have to give the child class. We'll discuss all these things with the real-time example, then you can able to understand why we are giving like that. Okay. So here child object is referred by using the parent reference. Okay, this is what definition also telling. Parent class reference to refer to a child class object. So the parent class is referring the child class object. So implicitly it will happen. Always safe, no casting syntax needed. So what all these points we'll discuss now, then only can able to understand. This is what the upcasting in the code. Upcasting implicitly I mentioned. So left side, what you are giving parent class reference. Right side you are creating the child class object. So what is happening means read it slowly. Object created, new dog. Reference used animal. So dog object stored inside the animal reference. Dog object stored inside the animal reference. Now math definition, upcasting means using a parent class reference EA referring the child class object. Referring the child class object. Okay. This automatic conversion is called implicit casting. You are not giving anything, you are not typecasting from one type to another type, from animal to dog, you are not typecasting. Implicitly it is happening. It is hiddenly, internally it is happening. This conversion. Again, just try to understand what is this alone. Okay. This automatic conversion is called implicit upcasting. So dog object stored inside a animal reference. So fifth one, what actually happens? Correct order we'll discuss. Okay. Phase one, compile time we'll discuss. So compiler checks reference type equal to animal or not. Yes, reference type equal to animal. This is what compiler will check. Animal is the reference type. Okay. So reference type is the animal here. Yes, it is present. Base class, parent class name is present. This is what first will check. We are just dividing all these steps into a individually we'll be discussing. Okay, we are dividing this single line into multiple lines and then discussing one by one. This animal will check during compilation time. We already discussed this in our previous sessions. For reference again repeating. So first step will check during compilation time whether the reference class is present or not, exist or not. The reference type is what is that animal. So alone methods equal to what is that telling? Only animal methods. Mark my word, only animal methods. So a dot sound is allowed here. Go to the Eclipse. See here. I'm getting the test malware some class. I'm commenting the remaining things. See here. Animal. First during compile time, what I told you, will check reference class is present or not. Reference type is present or not. Yes, animal is present. Base class. After that, what will check means a dot sound. Whether this method is present in the animal class or not. Yes, obviously it is present. This is what they are telling you. Reference type is next. Allowed methods equal to only animal methods. So animal class, how many methods are there? Only one method. What is that? Sound. So that sound is present. Next, I would like to access a dot fetch means we give the compilation error. See here, the method fetch is undefined for the type animal because animal class does not have any method fetch. Okay. You may ask me, we are having the new dog. So new dog means a dog class. It will extend animal. See, I will told you compilation time only. It will check the reference type class present or not. Reference type methods are allowed. Okay, a dot sound means sound method is already present in the class. A dot fetch is not available during compilation time. It will check the child class objects and all. Okay, so comment is line. It will throw an okay. It will throw an compilation error. I hope you are clear this so far. So why we are getting this error means it will compiler sees only reference type, not object. So this is a proof of concept for that. Okay. Second, phase two, runtime. So JVM creates a dog object because of this new keyword. Object contains animal part and dog part. Because we already mentioned that dog extends animal, so it will contain animal part and dog part. Reference is a point to dog object. Here, the parent class references to a dog object. Okay. Next, what will happen means animal A equal new dog we already mentioned. A dot sound means now what will happen means we already discussed many number of times. During runtime, this object is created. Hereafter, these methods are executed based on this object, new dog. So a dot sound means it won't work the sound of animal class. It will work based on the dog class. So what will print means dog box. We'll check. See here, we'll give the output as dog class method dog box, not animal make sound. Okay. I hope you are clear this so far. Why not animal make sound means explanation is very simple. Method is overridden. Already this method is present in animal class. Now it is overridden in the dog class. JVM checks the actual of the dog, executes dog's version only. So this is called as a polymorphism. Dynamic method dispatch means already discussed. It's just a process or mechanism ensure that okay, important thing dynamic method dispatch. So it will check it out. Okay, we already discussed. Just a minute. I can go to that session number 63 and show you. Dynamic method dispatch. JVM decides here only which overridden method to call at runtime based on the object, not the reference. It will decide just the dynamic method dispatch in a sense it's a process or mechanism. The JVM will decides which overridden method to call at runtime based on the object. So this is the important thing. I hope you clear this. See here. So this is called as here polymorphism using the same method name. It behaves differently on the different objects based on the behaves differently based on the different objects. So now here runtime polymorphism achieved. Dynamic method dispatch is just a process. It decides which overridden method should execute. So here animal class sorry what is the dog class sound method is overridden is executing decides just deciding okay not executing late binding is the execution part. So it will decide after deciding it will execute this dog class sound method. This is called as a late binding. So this is what now just match the definition of the poly. So one method name, okay, one method name, many behaviors depends on the object. Dog class means it will execute somewhere differently. So in case if it is a cat object means it will work differently. Same reference type. So animal, different objects. Okay, different output. Possible only because of upcasting only we are getting like this. And also the advantage if any changes you have to do in the future, only right side you can change it if you are using like this. If a new class is coming, right side alone you can modify it. Left side you have the same reference type itself. Otherwise, as a beginner, what will do both sides you will use the dog itself, dog equal to. Here there is no runtime polymorphism or dynamic method dispatches achieved. This is also the one of the reason to getting into the upcasting concept. Runtime only it will be decided which method should work. So many of the beginners will do the mistake here. Here also if you are using this dog class, it will work. Then if you are giving d dot sound, it will work. No issues with that. It will 100% work. You will get out, but this is not a runtime polymorphism. At compile time itself, decided dog class will be executed. Many of the beginners are doing mistakes here. Kindly make a note of it. It's very important. Got it? So, getting the output alone, it's not a big deal. Okay. So, you should be achieve this runtime polymorphism. This is not a runtime polymorphism. So, left side always should be the parent class, right side should be the child class. This is what proper runtime polymorphism. Here we are doing implicit. That is implicitly we are storing the child class object in the parent class object. This is called upcasting. Okay. Next session we'll discuss about why upcasting is needed. If you found the session useful, then like the video and subscribe the channel for more update. Please share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.